Welcome. Good morning. Welcome from Social Auditor MCQ.com also. You know, by this time, more than 200 professionals have already passed Social Auditor exam. And this figure is likely to reach in next 3 years around 25,000. But if you have already passed the exam, first of all, congratulations to you. And as soon as you pass this exam, this congratulation is also to you. As on date, my friends who have passed this social auditor exam, they are in hurry to register with self-regulatory organization. But friends, my advice is that there is no reason to be in hurry. Why? Because after passing the exam, my advice to you is that kindly revisit SEBI ICDR regulation chapter 10A once again. And when you are visiting this chapter once again, where amendment was carried out on 25th July 2022, carefully read regulation 292A subpart F, which talks about social auditor. And this particular sub-regulation clearly says who can be a social auditor. And it says that social auditor shall hold a valid certificate by NISM, you already have. Second condition which is mentioned in this sub-regulation F of 292A clearly says that a social auditor must be member of the self-regulatory organization. And mandate for this self-regulatory organization as on date, I am talking of today, 30th March. On 30th March 2023, this mandate is only with ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Whereas, as on date, there are 3 social audit SROs, that means self-regulatory organization. One incorporated by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India under the name Institute of Social Auditors of India. But their portal is not ready to enroll the social auditors who have passed the exam. Second is ICSI Institute of Social Auditors, IISA, which has been incorporated by Institute of Company Secretaries of India. And C, revisit this sub-regulation once again, 292A sub-regulation F. This clearly says, or any other agency as approved by SEBI. On 30th of March 2023, any other agency, there is no letter, no circular, no approval from SEBI. Means, if you register, there is a challenge. And there is third SRO also, which has been incorporated by Institute of Cost Accountants of India under the name ICMAI Social Auditor Organization, ISAO. And this ISAO has already started enrolling the social auditor. I am not saying that these two institutes will not get the approval from SEBI. Sooner or later they will get the approval from SEBI, but if you today register where these SROs have yet to get the formal approval from the SEBI, you may be putting yourself into trouble. Moreover, when first assignment of social audit will happen under the SEBI regulation? See, this is very clear. As on date, social stock exchanges are developing the capabilities. Social audit will happen only when one of the NPO will list or register or social enterprise will be there on the social stock exchange. And when they will be completing their year, that means that first assignment for social audit is not going to happen prior to 1st April 2024. When there is no possibility of formal assignment before 1st April 2024, I am talking in terms of social audit. Though social auditor can do number of other activities also, we will separately discuss where you can involve yourself and how you can do the capacity building. But today's session focus is what next after passing the social auditor exam and why you should be careful and should not be in hurry while registering with the SR. Therefore, friends, my take is very clear. Just enjoy your success. Wait either when SEBI gives recognition to these two SROs also, which are incorporated by ICSI and Institute of Cost Accountants of India, or wait till Institute of Social Auditors of India is ready to register the members. There is no reason to be in hurry. Be careful. All the best for your journey as a social auditor. Continue to visit socialauditormcq.com. Very soon we are launching the social auditor member section full with knowledge, forms, opportunities, and how you can groom yourself to become a true capable social auditor. Thank you. Stay connected.